Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I will be teaching us on how to edit on your bold text on your Upwork account. So as you can see, I've done some tutorial on Upwork recently. And here today I want to teach us on how to, when you see some people's profile on Upwork, you'll notice that there are some texts that are being bold, but later you'll find out that you can't find the option for you to bold those kind of text on your Upwork account, and you'll be wondering how do they do that, what tools do they use, how did they come about it. So it's just a simple thing for you to do. So you just head on to your Google account, go onto your Google browser. So you search for the option, the Unicode converter. So Unicode text converter. So once you click on once you search for the Unicode text converter, so then you click on the first option that is being suggested. So this is what it will show. So now any text you now want to bold on your Upwork account is what you are going to paste here, and you are going to click on show. So now let's take, for example, we want to bold this option. Maybe we want to bold most of our keyword, for example, Shopify e-commerce business. So the important keyword on my account, I want to bold it. Now once I copy it, then I head on to this place, then I'm going to paste my keyword, then I'm going to click on show. So it will give me different fonts for this keyword, for this word I'm using. So I have the option of choosing different keyword. So I want to use this keyword, so I'm going to copy it. Once I copy it, I head on back to my account, and I'm going to click on this edit. So once I click on the edit option, then I scroll over to where the Shopify e-commerce is, which is here. So, and I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to paste. So immediately I paste. So I think it didn't copy. Okay. So I highlighted it, and I'm going to paste this every Shopify. Yeah. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm coming over here to paste it. Okay. So I think I have to copy and paste it. I have to, because I've exceeded the maximum character because of the keywords I added here on my account. So I have to remove some keyword on my account. So I have to clear some because I've used up my character limits for the profile. So I have to go and paste again. So yeah, I'm coming back to this option. So I'm going to paste. Then paste. So yeah, I pasted it already. So we have the Shopify. So, and I'm going to save. And once I save, then I refresh my account, and you can be able to see that the option has appeared, the boldness appeared on your account. So you can see that Shopify e-commerce business is bold enough. And if you want more font option, I will update you on other font option, because I think this font option is still limited, because we have a lot of different font option that we can use. So here is one as well. So and there are other sites that gives more these fonts as well. So once in this video description, I will include other websites that has the other fonts that are available that are more than this as well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be bringing you more updates on how to make money online, on how to optimize your account as a freelancer, and how to reply to clients, or probably build up your profile as a freelancer on Upwork and on Fiverr. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.